November 2024. Just like in 1983, Americans are lining up for their own little bundles of joy. But this time, it's not pudgy dolls with yarn hair. It's the Harbor Freight Mini Toolbox. Grown men are scrambling for these compact, stylish organizers with glossy paint and just enough room for a family of sockets. The craze is real, and people are ready to camp out all over again, this time for a lunchbox-sized toolbox.
Well, I jumped on the bandwagon today and I picked up the new Mini Toolbox from my local Harbor Freight. The item number is 72438 and it's just becoming available at most stores. Straight from the Harbor Freight website, they claim that it can handle 5 pounds per drawer or 10 pounds total, and I don't doubt that. This thing is built like a tank and it's much heavier than I thought it would be at 5 pounds, 7.8 ounces. Just for comparison, I have this Task Force Mini Toolbox that I got way before Lowe's and Harbor Freight got into the Mini Toolbox game, and it only weighs 4 pounds, 13.4 ounces. The drawers have ball bearing slides and open nice and smooth once you overcome the magnetic drawer locks. The Task Force box has a mechanical drawer lock that requires the lid to be lifted for the drawers to be opened, and I honestly don't like that type of design. The magnetic drawers require around 3 pounds of force to open. The lid on the Harbor Freight Toolbox opens past 90 degrees to keep it propped open. The top compartment measures 10 3/4 inches wide by 5 3/4 inches front to back, and it's around a ½ inch deep. The top drawer measures 8 11/16 inch wide, and although the drawer is 5 inches to the back, you only have around 3 inches of usable opening. The depth of the top drawer is 1 1/4 inches. Same deal with the bottom drawer, although it's 1 inch deeper at 2 1/4 inches. The boxes are powder coated instead of painted, and the quality of the powder coating is very good as far as smoothness goes. The black coated aluminum drawer handles are a nice touch in my opinion. The drawers include pre-cut drawer liners, which makes it feel all that much more like a real toolbox and keeps your contents from banging around and scratching the bottom of the drawers. I think it's a great little novelty item that would make an awesome gift for a friend, a co-worker, or maybe even one of your kids. The customization possibilities are pretty much endless. Put it down in the comments what you'd put in a toolbox like this or what customizations you'd like to see done to it. I have a few ideas that I'm saving for a future video, so hit that subscribe button to see what I have in store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.